Honorable Sabina Chege is currently a subject of discussion on social media after her recent post, which has sparked a lot of controversies online and mostly when it comes to the Islam people. The picture of the former Muranga women representative and the currently nominated Member of Parliament, Honorable Sabina Chege, together with JIMAL Safi, a businessman in Nairobi, has been the one that has caused a controversy on social media. But mostly, it's not about the picture, it's about the placement of the Holy Book of Quran that was seen at JIMAL's office that has left a lot of people speaking, and mostly the Islam people and mostly the Muslims have condemned the action of Sabina Chege sitting on the Quran. Remember, Quran is the holy book that is respected by the Islam people. And you disobeying and going under Islamic law, it is wrong to sit at the Quran. It was 2 days ago, Sabina Chege and a Muslim man, JIMAL Safi, were attacked by other Muslims for allegedly sitting on a Quran holy book. Lawyer Ahmed Nasri Abdullahi is the one who posted the photo on Twitter questioning Sabina Chege and this man about the main reason why they had to sit on a Quran. Sitting on the Quran, maybe he wanted it as a witness. Lawyer Ahmed Nasri tweeted. Now, that one caused a lot of controversies online. The Islam people respect their religion so much, and mostly they respect the Quran. You have to respect the Quran too if you are allowed the Islam people. Now, this act seems to have angered many Muslims. For example, Honorable Idris Bule, who shared this photo and attacked the two. What's the point of putting the holy book of the Quran there, alafu kalisha Sabina juu? Is this guy normal? That's what Honorable Idris Bule asked. Now, as a Muslim, it is wrong for you to even post such a picture of somebody sitting on the Quran, because that goes against every norm of a Muslim. Wewe kama Muislamu unapaswa uheshimu kitabu takatifu cha Quran. Lakini sasa unapiga picha na unaiweka kwenye mitandao ya kijamii ya mwanamke huyu ambaye ni Mkristo. Kumbuka Honorable Sabina Wanjiru Chege ni Mkristo. Alafu ile picha yao ni picha kimahaba vile. Ila JIMAL Safi, huyu mtu kumbuka ndiye alikuwa akimdate Ambare na alikuanga pia na yule bibie wa kwanza yule. Amira. So huyu jamaa ukimwambia mambo ya utakatifu na nini, yeye haelewi huyu. Ni mpumbavu na mpuuzi kabisa. Na nikisoma kati ya comments kutoka kwa Wakenya, namuona Somal Nathan akisema Samaila Nathan akisema some people are useless. Laban Songoka akisema from where I see it, it is clear that Sabina isn't sitting on the holy book, so Gradmula introduce another topic and let it trade. Rasto Jadoka anasema as far as I can see, Sabina is sitting on a table, not Quran. Kuna wewe kama unaweza mara nyingine heshimu dini ya watu. You people, the way you're commenting, it seems you don't understand what Muslims should do. Muslims And Abraham Misoy anasema it is clear that they were sitting on the table while the Quran was way under. Therefore, that is not intended. It should not be condemned. It should be condemned if you have been under the jurisdiction of a Muslim teacher. You will understand why it is supposed to be condemned. Wakati mwingine hata kukiweka kitabu cha Biblia chini ya kitanda chako, pia hilo ni kuwa wakati mwingine auheshimu mafunzo ya Mwenyezi Mungu. That's what's up. Tuungane katika video zetu zijazo. Ila wewe unasema aje kuhusiana na hii picha ya Sabina Chege na Honorable JIMAL Safi? Achia maoni.